gather your supplies and go ahead on and just open your pumpkins. I just split them open with a really large knife and use the ice cream scooper just to get the seeds out. Don't worry about all the stuff attached to the seeds. You can get rid of that when you do the first few washes. Next, you want to clean the seeds in some really warm water. I did this a few times just to get them good and clean. I preheated a pot of boiling water just for this amount of pumpkin seeds. After about 10 minutes, the inside of the pumpkin seeds should be cooked. After my pumpkin seeds were drained, I preheated my oven and went on to dry them. Get as much water off of them as you can. If this doesn't work, just let them air dry for about 24 hours. I used an olive oil and garlic mix for this recipe. I placed them in a heated oven for about 12 minutes and they came out delicious. You really have to try this. Thanks so much for watching.